Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review video on this stamping polish. I got it from Bornprettystore and the link is down below to where you can purchase this and the other colours for yourself. So this one is Blue Enchantress and I'm just going to try stamping it over black and white. So as you can see, the stamping came out really well. I tried it over black as well. I was just curious to see how the colour would show up on something darker, and as you can see it is really crisp and easy to tell the coloration of it. It didn't get lost within the dark background. So yeah, I'll leave the link down below where you can purchase this item. There's also different colours in the range of course as well, and feel free to use the 10% off code that's there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.